Hi, this is Mark Verchette from Georgetown County School District, and today I'd like to show you a document and PDF annotation extension that you can find in your Chrome Web Store. It's called Kami, and with Kami, one of the things that you can do is, for instance, I've got a PDF here that I can find from our State Department. And let's say this PDF is 76 pages long. However, I want to really focus in on a specific page. For this, I'll be using page 15. And I want to annotate and highlight and show you how I can add some text on top of that PDF. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download that page, and we have a video available on how to download specific pages of longer PDFs. I'm going to save that to my Google Drive. Once I have that page in my Google Drive, I'm going to go ahead and open that PDF. I'm going to click on it. You can see I just have this one page, page 15. And up here now, you'll see that I have the Kami extension added to my Google account. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click on Open With. I'm going to click on Annotate with Kami. And when I do that, Kami is actually going to go ahead and it's going to open it with the extension. Now, the great part about this is you'll see that there is a toolbar directly over here on the left side. There are a ton of different tools. I'm going to show you a couple of my favorites. And so that way you can kind of begin using this and see how you can save your annotations and share them with other people. So with this, some of the basics is you'll notice over here, this is the select tool. Important as you kind of move along and try to make some edits in this. The other important tool that's here is a text box. This is great because I can just click it. And let's say right down here, I wanted to add an answer or some text. I just click on the text box. I can click here, and now I could enter my name. Or whatever text it is that I want. And again, if I just click off of that with the select tool, you'll notice that that text is there. So even later, if I wanted to go ahead and maybe move this, you can see with that select tool, I can go ahead and move my text. The other tool on here is you'll notice that there is, right up here, there's a highlight tool. However, I kind of like to do the freehand highlight. So instead, I come right down here to the drawing tool. And this is kind of how I use it. I usually try to set this at 8. And then I come down to transparency and I select that at right about halfway or a third. And then I can choose any color I want. And if I didn't like these colors, I can come down here and get even more colors. What's great about this is I can come here and then anything that I want to go ahead and highlight, I can just come in and highlight those colors. And I can change the color of my highlighter if I come over here. So if I wanted to adjust that, now you can see again that this is being highlighted with a different color. The cool thing about this is when I'm all done, what I want to do is I want to save the annotations and any changes I made to this PDF. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right up here to save. So unlike working in, most Google apps like Google Slides or Docs, for instance, where it saves automatically, with this extension, I am going to have to save after my changes. So I just choose this save. You'll see right down here, it says save now. I can click on the save now and it'll let me know once I've saved. The reason I'm doing that is now, again, I could close this and I could come back to my Google Drive and I'm just going to open this guy again. So I'm going to click on the same document. And now you'll notice the next time I open it and I hit annotate with Kami, the next time I open it, all of those annotations are going to stay there. So again, this is a great resource. And again, it's a free extension for you to use as a teacher or with your students. But you'll see all those annotations that I made are right there. So if I wanted to make any changes again, let's say I wanted to take this text out, I could come down, take that text out, and now if I was going to save it one more time, I do need to come up here and hit save, and you'll see it says one unsaved change. So I'd hit save now, and it's going to change that. But again, all these are saved automatically inside my drive after I hit that save button. So good luck using Cami.